In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can make passive income every single month. So during this video, I'm going to show you all the free tools which I am using to make that kind of money every single month. So watch the video until the end for the full tutorials because those tools are an important part when you come to make a passive income. So let's get into video, guys. Before that, I make videos on money making, money saving tutorial. Try to upload one video every day or every other day. So subscribe, like and share, and if you like this video, leave a like on the bottom of the video, guys. So for the first passive income method, I'm gonna cover Amazon affiliate network, which is one of my passive income is coming from. So Amazon associates account is the same thing that you can join and promote all the product on Amazon, and you can earn commission when people purchase that product. You can apply the same method for eBay partner network or AliExpress partner network, or you can go with other e-commerce website worldwide. So because most of them has an affiliate network that you can join, promote, and you can earn commission. So I'm gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna go with Amazon. This is the product I want to promote. If I promote that, I will make 1% on the commission, which is low, but again, when it comes to passive income, it's not like earning one money from one sales or one product. Is earning money from a couple of products. When those commission add up to that, in the end of the month, you can make between $2,000 to $3,000 every single month as a passive income for the work that you did years ago, guys. So the idea is I'm going to promote this product. I'm going to promote it in a couple of ways, and the tools which I'm using to promote that is very important because that make those product or your post become more attractive, guys. So what you have to do when you find a product on Amazon, you need to install a Google Chrome extension called, this one is the Google Chrome video downloader. Any video downloader is enough. These Google Chrome extensions, there's a couple of them, will allow you to download this video from Amazon or any other website, guys. After you download the video, go to your file and locate that video. This is the video I downloaded. Right now, what you have to do, you have to go to the first tools, which is CapHang. I think I can't pronounce that, is CapHang.com. So this tools can allow you to edit your video for free. There's a paid version, but you can use free version to edit the video without any watermark. But this tools is very important because you can edit the video in a vertical format for you all the social media. So you have to do, click new content, and here you can upload the video which you downloaded. Right after video is uploaded, all you have to do is go to section called crop, and you have to select which format that you want. You can go with Instagram format, or you can go to YouTube widescreen format, or you can go with Instagram format, which is same thing apply to Pinterest and TikTok. And then you can see there's other couple of format here. I'm going with this vertical 9:16 because it's very useful for TikTok, Pinterest, again Instagram or YouTube shorts, guys. So what you have to do, you have to click done cropping, and your video is ready. What you have to do now, click this one called export video, and it will take a couple of seconds and your video will be exported. Right now, this is the final product. You can click download it into your computer. Again, if you have your own app of this website, there's a free app that you can download, that you can use your mobile phone to edit that videos. That make everything faster because you download that video, then you can straight away upload it all the social media without any issues, guys. Now, the first and second first method, the first social media I use is Pinterest, Instagram. Here the trick with Instagram, because this Instagram account I promote various products here, but each of the posts has a different affiliate link. So when you come with a link in bio tools, you can't add multiple link for that, but here the tools which I'm using is allow to add a multiple different affiliate offers for each post. The tool is called later.com, which is good for the Instagram account, and of course this one called link in bio, and it will show all the posts inside your Instagram, guys. So you have to click the post that you uploaded. This is the video I uploaded from Amazon, and here for the link you have to add your affiliate link which you get from here. So if you click, if you have associate account, then you can get your affiliate link from that. And what you do, upload it here, save the link, and this is your link in bio to URLs. You copy that and put it on here. Now you have to put that link on Instagram bio tools. This is the link, and if they click open that, there's a different post, and this is my Amazon post. If they click that, it will take it to the Amazon website, guys, and I will make the commission when they purchase this product or different product. So this is with you're gonna do it with Instagram. The Pinterest one is straightforward. Create a Pinterest account with that, is free. Click this one called create pin, upload that pin here. This is the video you downloaded. Just basically copy and paste. You copy the title, description from the Amazon listing. Then what you have to do on the URLs here, destination link, put that, and without any issue your post will be published on Pinterest, because Pinterest doesn't block Amazon affiliate link, guys. So it's the Pinterest. The other one is called Tumblr. Again, you can see you straight away you can upload that video and you can put the link here. So as you can see, this is the link I put. Also I copy and paste the title and highlight that part. So if I click this one edit button here, I can show you that, and you can see this is the post I made it, and you can highlight any section that you want here. This is the highlight part, and click this a link button here. This is the link button, and copy and paste your affiliate link, click done, and that's it, guys. This is why you can upload this post on Tumblr. Again, Tumblr won't block this post or Amazon affiliate link. This is the link. If the people click the link, and it will take you to amazon.com or .co.uk, whatever website, and they can purchase it. You can apply the same thing with the Parlay, is upcoming social media, and again you can do with a Facebook. That you can see this is the page. I nearly have a 45,000 members. They do the same thing with it. They promote various offers from various websites. Again, the people are commenting their Amazon affiliate link. You can see that Amazon affiliate link on their comment section without getting banned or blocked, guys. So you can do with that Facebook. Again, you can also do with YouTube Shorts. If you can see that YouTube Shorts are getting more and more views every single day. That you can see here, 12 million videos and nearly 1.6 million channels are making shorts video. So you can completely create a YouTube channels for the shorts. You can upload less than 1 minute videos on that. You can put the affiliate link on the description. Again, if we are not having a short section or short tools on your YouTube, that you can straight away upload the video as normal, then put the hashtags in the end of the title, description, on the tags, say it's a shorts. So you can put hashtag shorts on all of them. So YouTube understand this is a short videos. They then promote it for a group of people. Then they, if those people engage with your videos, they will promote to the larger audience, guys. So you can use all the social media. The important part of that, you need tools like CapHang in order to make a vertical videos, and if you are using a Instagram account to promote it, you need a later.com, so you can add individual affiliate link for all the posts that you upload, so people can click whatever the product they want and they will take it to them. So you can make a passive income without any website, because only the website that you can add multiple different affiliate offers for each product. Now you can do that with these simple tools from later, guys, for the Instagram. Again, this method is completely free and work worldwide, and all the tools are also free. So try it out. Again, guys, it won't happen. You can't make a passive income with one single product. You need to promote multiple products and multiple social media. There's billions of people are using social media. All of them have a different interest. So if you promote multiple different products, some of them interested in the product, they click it, it will take to the Amazon or any other e-commerce website, they purchase it, and you can make money. Again, you can apply the same thing for that ClickBank or JVSU or Warrior Plus or Max Bounty. You can promote various different affiliate offers. That it's not, you can't use it. You can use this method for different affiliate offers, not for the e-commerce affiliate. You can use it for other affiliate network, guys. So I hope you understand this video. If you really like this video, subscribe, like, and share. Under that, have a good day. See you next video, guys.